Hello, dear friends. Today, I'm going to show you what's new in the latest Metamask updates and why you should update your extension right now to avoid unnecessary fees, delays, and transaction errors. Why you should update your Metamask extension today. Metamask, the most trusted Ethereum wallet and your gateway to Web3, has just launched a powerful update in 2025. This update brings massive improvements to speed, reliability, and fee handling. So if you're still using an older version of MetaMask, now is the perfect time to update. That's the important I like in this update. 2FA, now available in MetaMask, can now enable 2FA directly within their MetaMask extension to add an extra layer of protection to their wallets. How to update MetaMask. Just click Update or check for updates. Follow me. First, let's click on the Update button, then enter your password and click On. This is the old version, that's why I have this message. MetaMask alert, version mismatch detected. Your extension version needs to be 5.61. Please update to continue. Now let's click on the Update button and now click Update and wait some minutes, then restart your browser and enjoy the new updates.